I'm through with the lies. I've been making outfits. So, you got me. It's time everyone knew. Drag me back, go ahead. Here we go. Ow! Why would you do that?
That's for the lies. That's for everything else.
Oh, man.
Get down!
No! It's okay. It's okay. She's a friend. You just scared him.
I scared him? Who is him?
Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid. Da-da-da, we're dead. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where do you think you're going?
Oh, great Odin skulls! Oh, this is it! Hiccup! Get me down from here!
You have to give me a chance to explain.
I am not listening to anything you have to say!
Then I won't speak. Just let me show you. Please, Astrid.
Now get me down.
Toothless, down. Gently. See? Nothing to be afraid of. Toothless! What is wrong with you? Bad dragon! He said he's not usually like this. Oh no. Toothless, what are you doing? We need her to like us. And now the spinning. Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just get me off of this thing. All right, I admit it. This is pretty cool. It's amazing. He's amazing.